Here's how you can improve articles in English in 3 simple steps. Let me show you. Hey, my fellow English learner! You're watching Fluent English with Lady Giraffe. I'm Olga, and today I'm sharing a method of getting rid of, or at least minimizing, your article mistakes. It's recommended by English teachers as probably the most effective way to learn how to use articles correctly. You can't understand articles without learning about them first. There are some rules, and you can read about them in any good grammar book or online. Here is my favorite online resource with simple explanations and plenty of examples. You don't have to study the rules, just read them. This is our first step. Next, let's find a text to read and analyze. This is the core of this method, the thinking carefully about the articles part. It can be anything in print or online. Personally, I prefer using articles from scientific magazines for this, but any novel, blog post, or even a script from your favorite TV show will do. Here is a small passage from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Google Docs are very useful for this type of activity because you can highlight or underline anything you want very easily. Read the text first and then start highlighting or underlining all articles you can find and any nouns that don't have articles in front of them and you're curious why. This is our second step, and this kind of work doesn't require a lot of thinking from you. It's more mechanical. You see an article, you highlight it. I always underline the whole phrase, not just one article. It's not just a voice, but a languid, sleepy voice. This will help you understand the relationship between the articles, nouns, and other parts of speech. The thinking step comes next. Now it's time to concentrate and start analyzing articles one by one. Is this noun countable or uncountable? Is it singular or plural? And of course, is it general or specific? When you can't say with confidence why a certain article is used here, refer back to the rules. If you're seriously stuck and have no idea why, and the rules are no help, there are some options. Check out this noun in the dictionary, Google your question, and finally ask somebody about this specific case. This English learning subreddit, for example, is perfect for that. So, our 3 steps are read the rules, read the text, analyze articles. If needed, refer back to the rules or ask somebody to help you. For the best results, practice regularly. In case you want to practice articles with me and Winnie the Pooh, I have a whole workshop for you here. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time with more awesome language content.